Good morning, guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Samri Morris and I do Taekwondo. So guys, I am talking to you all the way from Long Beach, California. As you guys know, I am usually from Utah, but I am out here in lovely California. I'm out here because I'm actually speaking at the We All Grow Latina Summit, which is really exciting. I get to talk tonight, so you guys will get to see that a bit later. Right now, I was a really bad vlogger. I brought my camera, oops, but I forgot my battery in the room, so I'm about to go on a jog all the way over to my room since it doesn't really work without a battery. Got the battery. Yay, I can vlog again. Alright guys, so I got the vlogging camera back and I am walking back to breakfast. Let me show you how delicious breakfast looks right now. So I don't know how much of that I actually recorded because the speakers, guys, they were amazing. I was loving their stories. I think I forgot to take much video, but guys, that is the stage I'm gonna be talking on later today. How nerve-wracking. I should probably go and like run through my speech now, because now I'm worried, like, I can't screw this up, guys. We're gonna do it. It's raining, and somehow we're late again. So many puddles. Oh my god, look how pretty though. How awesome this looks.
And here we are again.
Oh my god, you guys.
I love seeing you all fresh.
So I'm gonna try and follow what they're saying up there. They're giving us like instructions for how to do our makeup. Let's see how this ends up. Here's the finished product.
Alright, so
I like everything about it.
But you might be asking yourself.
Alright you guys, it's showtime. Just so everybody knows, I am terrified, I'm freaking out, and I'm super nervous, but I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna do it anyway. I will see you guys over there. I'm probably gonna be a wreck, but that's alright because honestly, I enjoy the nervousness. It's like, it's exciting, it makes me feel alive. So I will see you guys on over there. Look at all the tables, and look at the person in charge of recording me. Don't screw it up, you have a hard job.
Oh my gosh.
All these tables are about to be filled with people. Guys, this makes me feel really cool. Look at the line outside that's waiting to come in. This is the behind the scenes. We're just gonna check to make sure our pictures look all good and everything's all set up. Guys, look how cool this all is. Guys, this is hilarious. There is Kleenex on the table for all the people that cry during the stories. Kleenex on every single table. I love it. They're calling us backstage.
He's coming.
These are all the lovely storytellers here with me.
We're gonna end this with a big kick. Samri, come on up.
Thank you. Hi everybody, my name is Samri. So my story actually starts all the way in Peru, where I'm from. The person in front of me. Every single time that I had lost while growing up, it wasn't because of the person in front of me, but rather the person up here in my head telling me that I couldn't do it, doubting myself. And the second that I decided to just walk right into my fears and just accept that I had those insecurities, but that I could try and do it anyway, that's a time where I realized that I could grow into somebody new. I understand. I'm gonna be the type of person that's always worried, that always thinks maybe I'm not good enough, the one that's always gonna have those insecurities within me. But that doesn't mean that it has to let it stop me. That doesn't mean that it's gonna control my actions. I'm the one in control of my actions. And so with that, I just wanna leave you guys with one quote, and that's, behind every one of your fears is a person that you wanna be. And I hope that you guys become that person.